This was the amount of noise I am getting while recording with this Zoom H1. I have tried using different cables and different PCs. Even I tried using multiple softwares also, but still I am getting the same noise problem. So in the previous days, before 10 days, it was working fine with all those softwares and particularly in my laptop. So as you can see, all my videos are pending. So please solve this issue as soon as possible.